Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm excited to share with you a collection of great products that I've purchased from Primark. These range from clothes, shoes, accessories, homeware, etc. I have to say that some of these items are really amazing products that I was surprised to see available at Primark. So let's get straight into it. And by the way, this is not the only bag that I have. I have so many bags, like 7 here on my floor, which is just crazy. But anyway, let's start. So let's start with this. Guys, this bag. This is the butterfly shoulder bag. If you know how long I've been wanting to get this bag, I checked my local Primark and it was out of stock, nowhere to be found at the shop. I checked a couple of other stores, it wasn't there, and I just felt so bad because I really wanted this bag. I actually saw this bag on TikTok and I was like, wow, I need to get my hands on this bag. I love it. Like, it gives like a kind of early 2000 vibes to me. Like, I just love it. It's so cute. So one day I just thought, let me try again and find this bag, and guess what, I found it. So this is it, the butterfly shoulder bag. So cute. And there were only 4 left, so I was like, thank God I was able to get my hands on this. This also comes in blue, but that wasn't available. If I'd seen that blue, trust me, I would have also purchased it. So yeah, it comes with an additional long handle. So this is the strap. It has a small pocket inside. So this is a small pocket. Just look at the lovely butterfly detail. And this is £8. Love it. Then I got this lovely pink check top. This was originally £11, but I actually got this on sale for £6. And by the way, this top I'm wearing, I also got it from Primark too. I got this like last month. It's very similar to this top that I'm wearing. It has like the same material, the same scrunch detail, should I say. It's just doesn't have this. So this is what it looks like, and this is the pink version. So cute. And I also got this lovely summer top. This was originally £9 and I got it on sale for £5. So this is it. I like the fact that it's not tight fitting, it's free. The material as well is lightweight, so it's so good for this heat that like we are all experiencing here in England. So this is it, and I wasn't sure about the size because this is in a size 8 and I usually get a size 10 or 12 at Primark, but because this is like an oversized design, this size 8 fit me perfectly. And next I got these pajamas, which is that Hype House show. So these was originally £12 and I got it for £6. So this is it, this is the top, and these are the bottoms, the shorts. Then I got these blue denim sandals. Wow, these were actually on sale. I didn't even know until I got to the checkout. These are so cute. I'm glad I got these because I was thinking of whether to get them or not, because I was like, I'm not sure if I want these, but I love the style of these denim sandals, and also they look really comfortable. So I thought, anyway, let me just get it, and thankfully this was on sale. It was a lovely surprise. So this was £12 and now it's £6. So yeah. And I got another pair of sandals, and again these were also on sale, these cute gold sandals. These are a part of the Primark's Comfort Fit shoes, and yeah, they are comfortable. This was £6 and I got this for £4. So wow, this is definitely a bargain. These also come in black. So cute. Then I got this cute headband. So this is it. It's £2. And I also got this lovely pink clip, also for £2. It seems like these hair clips are trending, and yeah, this is like an old school like style. Like, this has been around for so long, it's just now it seems to be trending. And then I also got this lovely hairband with this gold design, and this was for £1.50. And I got these dental floss, and this was only £1 for 2, and I like the fact that it's small, so this would be great for traveling, so I thought, why not. Also got this shower wrap, and this is £8. This would be so useful for me when I've just come out of the shower and I want to, you know, blow dry my hair, or like if I want to do my makeup before wearing my clothes. There are a lot of uses out of this shower wrap, and plus this is also great for if you're traveling. So let me just show you. So you just open it, and then yeah, you can wrap yourself. This also came in the color white. Me, I love pink, so I will always get pink or any type of feminine colors. So yeah, this is in the baby pink. It has this stretchy band, so I'm sure it can like adjust to anyone's size who is between a medium and a large. Okay, so this is the second bag I'm going to show you. So I got this lovely Stitch rotating beauty storage. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, as you can see, it has 3 compartments where you can put your makeup or any type of beauty stuff, or you know, skincare products, anything. And like it says, it's a rotating storage, so it rotates, which is really useful. So when you want to quickly grab your stuff, you just rotate, then take whatever you want, rotate to the other side and take whatever you need. So yeah, I love it, and this was only £6. It's so cute with the Stitch character. I love it. I'm so happy I was able to get my hands on this. So useful. Then I also got these flip-flops, only 90p. I love the lime green color, love it, really comfortable. These were only £4, and again I got it in a size 7. I love the color. They have so many colors. They have these in blue, pink, so many summer colors. So yeah, simple but cute, only £4. And I got these chic reading glasses, and this was £2. These were actually for my mum, and yeah, I like them. They're really cute, only £2. And then I got another classic reading glasses, and these were actually £1. So yeah, really affordable. I'm sure my mum would love these. Then I also got these magnetic false mink lashes and liner, and these were £6, and they're in the style Faye. I've always wanted to try magnetic lashes because I heard that they're much easier to apply than the traditional lashes where you put the glue on the lashes, wait for it to dry and then put it on. These ones I heard are much easier and quicker to use, so let's see. Then I got this cute ring, and it was only £2, and I love the butterfly design in the middle, and I love the flower, so cute, love it. And then I got another set of rings, so this is what they look like, so cute. And again, they were only £2 for how many? 1, 2, 3. Wow, for 5. £2. Wow, I love that. I love to get a bargain, and Primark is a great shop for that. And I got these lovely colourful beaded bracelets. So I got 8 of these for only £3. So adorable. Then I got some hairbands, 60 pack for £1. I love these hairbands. It doesn't have that metal bit on them. These are much safer for your hair and less damaging, if you get what I mean. And I've bought these before. I've bought these in the brown set, and I really like them. Like, they're worth every penny. Just £1 and you get 60 inside. So now this is the third bag. So I got this lovely heart cushion. So this cushion is £3. So cute, this grey heart cushion. They've also got this colour in pink and white, but I didn't see the pink one at my local Primark, so I thought, let me just get the grey one because I really wanted another cushion for my room. I've already got this one in a pink, but the round version. Primark has this lovely cushion in different styles. They've got it again in this heart, and they've got it in a round version. Look how cute it is. It's so soft. Then I got these 2-pack pillowcases, which was only £1.70. Yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is in the colour teal. Then I also got the fitted sheet, which is £5.50, again in the same colour, teal. These come in so many colours, like you can choose whatever you want. They come in pink, mustard, blue, white, etc. They have so many colors and they're so affordable, and the quality is also good as well. Like, one thing I love about Primark these days, they seem to be upping their game with their quality, because in the past Primark stuff, the quality wasn't that great, but now it's good. This is it. And I got these hair scrunchies, 3 for £2. So yeah, love the colors. And I got these false nails. So these are called the Ultra Sparkle Shine, and it's only £2. So here is it again. Hopefully the camera is showing how beautiful and sparkly these nails are. Primark has like some amazing false nails designs. Like, they have so many styles. They're really affordable and also good quality. So yeah. And my fourth bag. So I got this lovely cosmetic bag. So again, this is what it looks like. And the zip also has this lovely butterfly design. So I got this for £4. And yeah, I really like how it looks. And this is what it looks like inside. It's so spacious. Even though I have so many cosmetic bags, I just thought I could just get my hands on this because this is so cute and I love the style of it. And I have the smaller one, this same design, and that one I believe was £3. So yeah. Then I got these pyjama set. This is the short sleeve cuffed leg PJ set, and I got this for £6. Let me just show you what it looks like. So this is the top and these are the bottoms. This is the cuffed leg style. And then I got these high toe heels, but yeah, they're so cute. Size 7, only £12. Love it. Love the design. I love the style of the heel as well. So I also got this face mask, and this is the hydrating rose sheet mask. And yeah, this is made in Korea, and I'm sure you guys know that Korean skincare products are amazing. So the fact that this is made in Korea and this was only 80p, I thought, wow, why not give it a try? And I also got these rings. These are a pack of 5 for £3. I just love the colors. Let me show it to you again. And I also got another flip-flop. So yeah, again, 90p. Really good. And guys, we're not done. I've got more bags. I know. So yeah, I got these sandals. These lovely lilac colored sandals. And they were originally £10 and now they are £5. So yeah. And I got these gorgeous bracelets. It's 12 in a pack for only £1. So these are silver bracelets, but they also come in gold. I have that too. So these are the gold version of that silver that I just showed you. Again, for only £1. Love it. What a bargain. Then I got another face mask, and this is the brightening sheet mask. Also made in Korea, and it's only 80p. So, yeah. And I got a nail glue 2-pack for only 60p. So I bought this nail glue for the nails. Even though these nails come with glue, but I just thought, like, let me just get these. So again, 2 for 60p. Like, you can't beat that. You can't beat that. It's really good. And I also got these socks, which are the 5 pairs cotton rich screw socks. And these were only £1.80. Like, wow, so affordable. Then I got this 3-piece toiletry set, and this was £4. So I mainly bought this for traveling, but again, this is also useful to put your cosmetics or your beauty skincare products in. So yeah, I love the clear bag. And I got this kabuki brush. So this is good for blending in foundation and diffuses concealer under the eye. So yeah, this is it again. Really soft, only £3. And next bag, I got this lovely long pink dress. This is how it looks. And this was only £6. I love the color. This comes in different colors too. And I also got these 2 body puffs. They were only £1.50. And then I got this lovely butterfly hair clip. Love it. only £2. So I got this makeup artist tape. So this would be good for applying your eyeshadow and also your eyeliner as well. Only for £1. Then I also got another type of socks, which is these 7 pairs trainer socks, and they were only £2. And this is the Barbie compact mirror. So this is it. And it has 2 sides. Yeah, this is so cute, this mirror. And it's only £2.50. Let me show it to you again. Okay, so now this is the last bag. So I got this ring light and it was only £10. I never knew Primark sells ring lights, so I was quite surprised to see that. This is what the ring light looks like. Yeah, it comes with a stand, but I don't want to take it out because I need to assemble it. But this is the size of the ring light, and I would say it's a good size for £10. So yeah, I got these Disney bracelets, and it's also free in a pack. You get 3 for £3, so I think that is an awesome deal. And now the last thing in this haul is this oval cosmetic pads. So these were only 90p. This is the cheapest oval pads that you can get as far as I know, and they are so soft and so good with removing your makeup. So that's it for this huge haul. Hope you found it helpful and that some of the products that I've shown are worth giving a try. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more updates on my new videos, okay? You can also find me on TikTok and Instagram. See you in the next one.